how to turn on or turn off Google Keyboard or Gboard Glide typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down and then tap on General Management. After that, go down and tap on Keyboard List and Default. Now in here, tap on Gboard, then tap on Glide Typing. At the top here, tap on Glide Typing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Once it is turned on, we can test it out. So here I will set my default keyboard to Google Keyboard or Gboard. Next, I'll go and open up an app. So here I'll open up my text messages to bring up the keyboard. And here, so that is the Glide typing on the Google Keyboard. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for my videos.